class, good afternoon. Welcome back to our science class. Okay, so let's continue our lesson this afternoon all about fire. So this morning you learned about the facts of fire. So let's read it again. Okay, so fire can be used in many ways. It could be light or heat. It is source of light, for example, a candle, a gas lantern. Okay, so these two are, it could be a source of light. So fire, it has a source of heat also. So if there is no electricity, fire can provide heat. The sun. So the sun warms our skin when we stand beneath it. Okay, so as what you observe, if you are going to stay outside without a tree or without a roof, you feel very hot because it is, the reason is because of the sun, because the sun is so hot. So fire can also cook food and boil water. Our most natural source of fire is the sun. Okay, kids, so always remember that our most natural source of fire is the sun. Light, light is important for humans, animals, and plants. Yes, it is true because without light, we cannot see anything outside, especially in the dark. If there is no light, we will see only darkness. Okay, so let's study the spelling of the words from earlier slide. Okay, so there are two types of light, the artificial light and the natural light. So examples of natural light are sun, stars, and moon. Okay, sun I spell S-U-N. Stars I spell S-T-A-R-S. Moon I spell M-O-O-N. So these are the examples of natural light. For the artificial light, we have fire, candle, and flashlight. So fire I spell F-I-R-E. Candle I spell C-A-N-D-L-E. Flashlight I spell F-L-A-S-H-L-I-G-H-T. Okay, so fire, candle, flashlight are examples of artificial light. Sun, stars, and moon, examples of natural light. Okay, so let's practice. So find out what is the missing letter in the blank. So a while ago, we studied the spelling of the examples of light, right? So now, let's see if you still remember how to spell those words. Okay, number one, F blank R blank. What is this word? It is example of artificial light. Number one, answer is, it is a fire. Okay, for number two, it is example of artificial fire also. This is a candle. How to spell candle? C-A-N-D-L-E. Okay, so the missing letters are A-D-E. About number three, what is it? It's an example of a natural light. This is a moon. Great. So moon I spell M-O-O-N. So the missing letters are O-O. Number four, what is it? This word is an example of natural light. So this one is, okay, this word is sun. Number four, this word is sun. So the missing letter is S and N. So sun I spell S-U-N. How about for number five? This is also example of natural light, and it is very beautiful during nighttime. Okay, so this is stars. Okay, what are the missing letters? The missing letters are T and R. star. So star, I spell S-T-A-R-S. Number 6, the last one but not the least, it is an example of the artificial light. What is it? This is a flashlight. Okay, great. So the missing letter is F, S, I, T. Okay? So flashlight I spell F-L-A-S-H-L-I-G-H-T. Okay, amazing. All right, now in this activity, let's practice more. So this activity you're going to, okay, let's read the direction. Which of the object doesn't have light or heat? Circle the correct objects. So you're going to circle the correct objects that has a light or heat. So it could be natural light or artificial light. So for example, okay, an iron has a heat. Okay, so that's why we will encircle. What else? Okay. Yes, firefly. So firefly has a natural light. Okay, you can see it to the last part or to the tip part of their body. Next one. Okay, obviously the sun. It is important source, natural source of heat. Okay, next one. A gas lantern. Okay, so this is a gas lantern. It has an artificial light. Next one. Okay, an oven. Yes, so it has a heat. Last one, a bulb. It has an artificial light. Okay, class, I hope you learned something for this video. Don't forget to do your worksheets and submit it to me and check our portfolio also. That's all. Goodbye, class. Have a good day. Thank you so much for watching.